Hey guys, so I'm making something that I will show you guys at the end of the video. Yeah, don't mind what you're saying here. It's not dead, so if you think it's dead, remove your mind from it. So this is flour. About 4 cups of flour. Yeah, this is 1 cup, as you can see here. So I measured 4 cups of this, and I added a pinch of salt. So this is yeast. This one is yeast. Maybe with the ingredients I'm showing you guys, you will know what I'm making, or I don't know. So here is milk. This is milk, and this is melted butter. And I will be adding I'll be using this to add the sugar. Sorry about that. I'll be using this 1¾ cup to add the sugar, so watch out for it. I've added salt to it already. I'll mix it together before I will start making it. Yeah, mix it together. So guys, this is a bowl that I will use to mix it. I will be adding the proven yeast here. First of all, add the proven yeast. I'll add the melted butter. I'll add the milk. Add the milk.
You add the milk, Mom.
So this is what I will use to make it.
What?
Shh. I'll be adding the butter bit by bit. Yeah. I'll be adding it bit by bit. So guys, I've added it inside the kneading mat. So I will knead it until it is smooth here. Keep watching. It's no longer sticky. Yeah. So see you guys then. So guys, I'm done kneading it. I've kneaded it for more than 5 minutes now. You will know when the dough is ready if you punch your hand on it and immediately bounce back. As you can see, the thing is bouncing back. You will know that the dough is ready. So I will put it inside the bowl. I've added oil to it, and I will let it rest for like 40 to 1 hour. Yeah. Ta-da! It is bread I'm making. I forgot it on the oven. Before you know it, it is burning. You see? Thank God it's manageable. We can still manage it. The other 3 almost burnt totally to ashes. But still, this one is manageable. I will keep it for breakfast tomorrow. If I tell you what the time is now, you will say you are still making bread by now. It is past 12 a.m. Yeah. So I was just busy doing other things. Then by the time I decided to put it inside the oven, and I forgot it now. Can you imagine? Okay, see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, or rather the next day, I'm washing my daughter's hair.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
itch her body, yeah. So I don't have to keep her so long under the water while doing the rest of the hair. So that is why I'm doing it this way. I've put shampoo on this session, so I will put on the rest session, then wash it together. Yeah. So guys, I'm done putting shampoo around the hair. It's time for me to wash it once and for all. If not, our body could have started itchy by now if I pour water on the one side. So see you guys later. So guys, I'm done washing the hair now. As you can see, the hair is clean. It's time for me to mask the hair and leave it for like 30 minutes before washing it out.
Bye.